Kevin, I see everybody lately rolling around with this nice new Volvo XC90. Let's see what he does for a living. Yo, what do you do for a living?
I work for Swift Autos.
Oh, you work for Swift Auto. Nice, you get to drive the cars. But I see everybody lately is rolling around with this gorgeous Volvo XC90. What's the deal?
It's a beautiful car.
They have good jobs? I mean, they only upgraded their jobs. How does anybody afford to drive this?
No, because it's a crazy deal right now. It's like $499 after tax.
$499 after tax?
Yes, sir.
Wow. How do you pull that off?
Swift Autos.
Swift Autos. So till when is the sale?
It's going on till December 22nd.
Till December 22nd, you can get a Volvo XC90 for how much again?
$499.
$499, including tax, everything included. Let's show them the car over here. So first of all, I read up a while ago about this car. I have a friend who tried to convince me to get it. Maybe now I'll get it from Swift. It's supposed to be the safest car.
Yeah, it's actually the safest car in the market.
Safest car in the market. Let me see the car. Show me a little around there,
Sure.
Kevin. Let me see this car. It looks nice.
Check it out.
Kevin, I keep the lights. Freshness, big screen, the back. Double row. Wow, so it's a seven-seater.
Full roof.
Full roof. Get my kick. Full roof. Beautiful, big skylight. Clean, nice, elegant. 7-seater. Shrunk over here. Swift, Kevin. Swift Autos, though. Number 10. Wow, nice trunk space. Beautiful layout. Wow. What else do you have besides this Volvo XC90?
There's a deal going on now on the Honda Odyssey as well.
Honda Odyssey as well?
Yes.
What's the price for a Honda Odyssey?
Honda Odyssey is $476 including taxes as well.
$476 including taxes on a Honda Odyssey. That's pre-COVID prices. How do you guys pull that off?
Swift Autos.
Swift Auto, Kevin. Swift Autos and Leasing. What's the phone number to reach out if somebody wants to order a car from Swift and, get the good deals?
845-793-2888.
855-793-2888. Reach out to Swift. So till December 22nd is this deal.
Yes.
Volvo XC90 for $499 including tax.
Limited availability.
Oh, it's a limited availability.
Yes, sir.
Kevin, reach out. Mention Perlowitz when you reach out for white glove service. Limited availability. You want this car? It's gonna be yours for under $500 including tax. Wow!
I gotta go.
You gotta go. You're a boss, man. You're a boss. What's the night? Have a veilige Hanukkah. Take care, man. Wow. Hey, my mic. Hey, 1 minute. Yo. Here he is. Oh my goodness. Hey. Yo.
Kick it out.
Mr. Swift. You also talk my mic.
Oh.
You have your book out the front of you over here?
No, just showing him around the new car.
1 minute. This is your car?
Yeah.
You're the new owner?
Sure. Proud of
Congratulations, Cole. I'm glad he gave him the mic. Don't run away with my mic this time like the other guy did. So 1 minute. This is your old car here?
So I came from that car.
The Chevy Equinox. Right? Equinox.
I paid $400 for this car, $399.
$400, okay.
$399. I'm coming to this car for $450 a month. That's only $50 more. I get a much nicer car.
A Volvo
XC90. You can't
even compare. Chevy. Don't even talk about it. It's like New York to Okeechobee. Did you look at comparison?
No, it's another $50.
$50. Now you have to put down some nice.
So how it works is Volvo has now a special for $499 for the Volvo XC90, for $2,500 down, and then there's a different option that you could basically. It's not a savings, but you basically you give Volvo $5,000. They keep it throughout the whole lease from this car.
Okay.
And it goes on $50 from your monthly payments.
So you only pay $450 a month.
So only pay $450 from $499 to $450
a month, and they keep it over 2 years.
Over 2 years. When you give it back, when you get back the car, you get back the $5,000.
Really?
Yeah.
So, and that's zero down?
No, it's
you slapped it down 25. The option of getting $50 less a month.
For $5,000.
$5,000, you get it back at the end anyway.
Exactly.
What a deal, Chevra. A steal of a deal. It's Kaddish for you. I'm really happy for you to get this nice Volvo. And this is tight.
Sure.
North from Mitzvahs. And Chevra, flip out a Chevy Equinox to a Volvo XC90 for just $50 a month. That's crazy. Chevra, what's your name again?
That's what I'm saying.
All right, that's between me and you.
Special Volvo keys. Orange
nice,
keys.
Chevra. Get back on the Schlüssel do. Nice orange bright keys. That's nice. Classy. I guarantee you're not gonna keep it in your pocket. You're gonna keep it on the keyring out on your belt. Everybody should see it.